Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wealthfront to manage risk profile step by step clearly. Open the Wealthfront app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Invest section. Click on Manage Risk Profile. You will see a brief explanation of what a risk profile is. Read through the information carefully. Click on Start or Edit to begin configuring your risk profile. You will be presented with a series of questions about your financial situation. Answer each question honestly and to the best of your ability. Questions may include your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Once you have completed the questionnaire, review your answers. Ensure that your responses reflect your current investment strategy and comfort with risk. After reviewing, click Submit to save your risk profile. Wealthfront will then analyze your responses. You may receive suggestions for asset allocation based on your risk profile. Review the proposed asset allocation carefully. If you agree with the suggestions, confirm your choices. If needed, make adjustments to your asset allocation preferences. Once finalized, click Save Changes. You will receive confirmation that your risk profile has been updated. Monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your risk profile. Make adjustments as needed based on changes in your financial situation or market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.